What's up, everybody? Race day. We are out at MMX Raceway up in Marysville. It is going to be Cameron and Corbin's first time racing. They had an awesome practice yesterday. Cameron just practiced on the 110 all day, but we actually talked him into racing the KTM 50 today. So he's gonna practice on that in the morning and race that. Corbin, not quite ready for the KTM 50, so he's gonna be racing the Honda 50. And this is a good first timer track. It's kind of a sand track, so it gets rutted, but not as bad as some of the other tracks. So jumps aren't as crazy, and it's about a little after 7. The people are lining up to come in, and we got our first practice started at 8. Alright, Deegan's just coming off the track, so he caught the gate on that one, which it happens. That's the first time catching the gate, so he did good. He caught him back up to the pack, though. Okay, Corbin, that was your very first race ever. What do you think? Was that fun?
Well, yeah, and the gate walk, it was pretty fun because I liked it to show it. After the show, it was just like a basket.
Just like a practice after the start, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And you passed someone?
Well, yeah, he was in front of me for a long time. And then I passed him.
Yeah.
I did go down once.
Yeah. Okay, good job. We got one more race. One more race.